welcome into Bon Appetit. And we've got Ed Gannon, our precious friend here from Vintage Olive. Oh my gosh, I love your place. I love everything you do. I love everything you make. So let there be no doubt about where I stand.
Yeah, that's right. I'm noted.
And you're going to do something great for us today called the Vintage Olive Burger?
Yeah, we call it the Vintage Olive Burger, or the VO Burger for short. This is actually a venison burger, but our venison has a tendency to be a little lean and dry.
True.
So we'll take on a pound of meat, if you're going to make quarter-pound burgers, we make 4 of them. We'll put about a quarter cup of olive oil. We like Szechuan mushroom, but you can pick a dozen different olive oils to add flavor to your ground meat. And then we'll add a little bit of the seasoning pack. This is actually one of our favorites is a bread dipping seasoning, but we put it on potatoes and vegetables and meats. So this adds a little bit of bread dipping seasoning, a little Szechuan mushroom olive oil mixed in with the deer burger, and it creates a whole different flavor category of taste. It's delicious.
Yeah, and because it's lean, it gives it a little more softness too, which is great. Yep. Wonderful.
And then if you really want to take it over the top, a portobello mushroom, you can drizzle a little your favorite olive oil in it, a little shake of herbal sea salt or one of the other seasons, and grill it and top your hamburger with that portobello mushroom. The grilled onions are grilled in a garlic oil.
I love that. I love that.
Yeah,
any vegetable that I've done that way is fantastic.
Yeah, there's probably a dozen different olive oils you can saute vegetables in. So the garlic adds another layer of flavor, but you can use roasted onion and cilantro. You can use herbs Provence. There's a whole bunch of different ones you can use. But then the bread we'll brush with garlic olive oil or either our butter olive oil. You know, butter olive oil is a healthy alternative to butter. It tastes just like melted butter, but there's no butter in it.
We should be using that. Everybody should be using that.
There's no saturated fats in it, but it tastes like melted butter. You can brush your bread with it and grill it. So you get a little crunch, a little crunchy, buttery flavor on top. So that's our famous VO burger.
Oh my goodness! So let me ask you something. Y'all sell all kinds of things. Tell me a little bit about some more of the things that you have there.
We have we have about 50 different hand blended seasonings. We have 12 or 13 handmade pastas. We have sea salts. We have like a black truffle sea salt. And grilling planks, we have these in now for people like to do the grilled salmon, cedar plank salmon. So we got our various things, and we got some dispensers and different things like that. But you know, all 25 or so different extra virgin olive oils, about 25 different balsamic vinegar, some Italy. We have specialty oils like a walnut oil and a sesame seed oil. So then we have dipping dishes and various things like that.
How much of this do you actually do there at the Vintage Olive?
All the olive oils and vinegars and specialty oils we buy direct from the producer, and we bottle it in-house. So we bottle all the olive oils and all the oils and vinegars in-house.
Okay.
The rest is, we buy from the manufacturer. The hand blended seasonings we get from a guy up in Galena, Illinois, and he doesn't blend them until we order them, so they're super fresh.
I love
and
that.
Adds a huge difference.
Well, I was going to ask you, why is the olive oil so much better for you? And beware, we're talking real extra virgin olive oil. We're not talking a lot of that you see labeled like that, Ed, really isn't.
Yeah, there's some reason the USDA doesn't regulate the olive oil business, so about 70% of olive oils in the grocery store that say extra virgin don't qualify as extra virgin. So ours all are, and it makes just a huge difference in the health quality, especially. The taste is a whole nother level. But it's one of the things that's frustrating for us is when people come in, they're buying olive oil at the grocery store for health benefits, and they're not getting any health benefits.
That's the problem right there. That makes a tremendous difference.
We have a lot of people that use it for their skin.
I know, and ladies, it's great. It's great for your hair too. You know, if you're going to wash your hair in the next morning or whatever, and you're going to get that out anyway. But olive oil is wonderful for your hair.
And we also have a lot of people come in and get the high poly oil. And they'll do a tablespoon on an empty stomach in the morning or at night just for health benefits. I
know a lot of people that take a tablespoon or even a teaspoon of the olive oil at night before they go to bed. So
yes, tons of health quality. And the vinegars have just as many health benefits as the olive oils.
Well, I think we're all in tune with getting more healthy, but what I think is amazing is what you've got is you've got more healthy, and you're not giving up the taste good.
Yeah,
Some of the more
you're
healthy
actually
stuff.
adding to the taste.
Yeah, so you're making it even better.
That's right.
I love what you do, and tell us again now where you're located and what your hours are.
We're in the Pepper Tree Shopping Center out by Taylor Road and Vaughn Road. We're open Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 6.
Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 6.
And thevintageolive.com, it's got tons of recipes. Our
Okay.
Facebook page and Instagram has tons of recipes with pictures, and it's a good way to go to get ideas.
I love that because you do these great things, but you're willing to give them away to everybody.
Oh, we'd love to give them away.
And for Christmas or for Thanksgiving, if you're going to somebody's house, wow, take a little gift pack for your. They make awesome hostess gifts.
And one of the favorite things that we do that people just love, they can come in, buy their Christmas present, pay for it, walk out, and we do the shipping. They don't have to go to the post office or UPS. We ship it from our store.
Thank you so much.
People love that.
It's been wonderful having you, and I'm about to run out of my garlic and my butter, so I will be over to make a purchase.
All right, we'll have it ready.
Thank you so much for
Thank
being
you.
with us, and thank you for being with us. And we'll be right back.